Hello everybody, this is Frank Miller, past president of the Kentuckiana Real Estate Investors Association and CEO of Believe Investment Group, real estate trainer and mentor. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. This coming Tuesday, I will be coming to speak at your local Lunch and Learn group. Our group is going to be talking about how to find properties and how to buy properties with no money down. Also, we're going to be showing you guys how to save anywhere from 20 to 40% off on all your supplies, on all your fix and flips, or all your rentals. And then lastly, I'm going to be bringing along my rehab estimator repair sheet to show you guys where you should stay on budget and the amounts that you should be spending on each itemized item that you're doing your rehabs or your properties. So, I look forward to seeing you guys at this Tuesday's Lunch and Learn. Please be there because there's going to be some special guests, and also I'm going to be showing you guys all kinds of ways how to make money and save money.